years. And number 4. Grab your loved ones, because a dark menace is sweeping across Mesa, Arizona, and no one is safe. The culprit? A car equipped with train horns.
It's my compressor. Right there are my horns. I have 4 of them. Let's go scare the out of some people.
Armed with the audio power of a locomotive and too much time on their hands, a couple of jokers cruise the streets to ring some ears. Most of the marks are able to laugh it off.
Yeah!
But mess with enough people, and you're bound to make some enemies. Suddenly, the boys find themselves running from an irate victim.
We got some following us.
Man, you got angry. Sorry.
Hey, calm down, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The pissed-off driver makes some noise of his own by trying to shatter their window. Luckily, the Decibel Brothers were able to speed away. But now they know. Tooting your own horn can really blow. Now a girl who's out for some payback.
Oh, yeah.